Following the successful launch of the Enyaq iV, Škoda is now adding an elegant coupe to the range. The lineup will also include a sporty RS variant. The Škoda Enyaq Coupe iV features an even more emotive design and, despite displaying sporty lines, offers generous amounts of space and a boot capacity of 570 liters. Both models come with acoustic front and rear side windows made of laminated glass that reduces the noise level in the interior, as well as dark-tinted rear side and rear windows. The anthracite Vega alloy wheels on the Enyaq Coupe Sportline iV are 20 inches in diameter, while the optional 21-inch Vitria alloys are black. The Enyaq Coupe RS iV comes with black 20-inch Taurus wheels as standard. 21-inch Vision wheels with an anthracite finish are optional. Both feature aerodynamically optimized plastic aero trims. The Enyaq range of standard equipment includes the digital cockpit with a 5.3-inch display and a 13-inch central touchscreen that provides access to the infotainment system and all vehicle functions. All coupes come with dual-zone Climatronic, a 2-spoke multifunction leather steering wheel sporting control buttons and knurled wheels for intuitive operation, and the KESI Go keyless start button. The equipment can be expanded with 10 optional packs arranged by elements, such as comfort, driving dynamics, climate control, assistance systems and infotainment. Škoda equips both the Enyaq Coupe Sportline iV and the Enyaq Coupe RS iV with full LED matrix headlights as standard. Within these, each high-beam module features 24 LEDs, which can be controlled individually and enable the driver to have the high beam on at all times without dazzling other road users. The full LED taillights, forming the brand typical C-shaped light cluster, feature crystalline, additionally illuminated areas, dynamic indicators and an animated coming, leaving home function. From the B-pillar, the roofline gently slopes towards the rear and merges with the tailgate that features a sharp trailing edge. The vehicle's lines are further accentuated by the dark-tinted panoramic glass roof, which is a standard feature for the coupe. It is the largest panoramic glass roof in the Škoda range, spanning the entire roof and seamlessly merging with the rear window. The Enyaq Coupe iV is available with a rear motor and rear wheel drive or with 2 motors and all-wheel drive. There's a choice of 2 sizes for the battery placed in the vehicle's underbody. The entry-level variant is the Enyaq Coupe iV60. Its rear motor is incorporated into the rear axle and drives the rear wheels with an output of 132 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 310 Nm. It is powered by a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 62 kilowatt-hours, of which 58 can be used. The Enyaq Coupe iV80 features a larger battery, which has a capacity of 82 kilowatt-hours, providing a maximum range of up to 545 kilometers in the WLTP cycle.